My First Grade Memory Book by Kiera. Bus safety, September. In September, we learned about bus safety. I learned not to stick your head or hand out the window. I also learned to sit seat to seat, back and back to back. In September, we ate apples. We also made giant apple seeds. We also did some name art. We spelled our names out of paper. We did it on paper. October. In October, we went to the Carpenter Nature Center. We got to touch a snake and a rabbit. It was so scary to touch the snake. In October, we also made a fire safety dog. My dog was a girl dog. It was fun making it. In October, we made a how to carve a pumpkin project. It was so fun, and we added a video to it, and we sent it to CSA so our mom and dad on their phone got to see it. How to carve a pumpkin. First, you get a pumpkin and get a knife and cut the top off. Next, you clean out the inside. Then you take a marker and draw a face. Last, you light the inside of the pumpkin. We also had a marble party. We got to wear pajamas. We also got to bring stuffed animals. I brought my bluebird. It was awesome. Also, we made jack-o'-lanterns. We made a big one and a small one. We also learned about spiders. We made a spider. We learned that spiders have 8 legs and sometimes they have 8 eyes too. They also catch food in webs, and they have 2 main body parts. November. In November, my grandpa came to flashlight reading. It's when you take a book, get a flashlight, turn out the lights off, and you read the book. In November, we made a turkey. My turkey had a rainbow hat and a red gobble, an orange beak, and orange feet. In December, my mom came to my classroom and we made a gingerbread house. In January, we learned about Martin Luther King. He was a good man. We also did some tear art. You take paper and tear what you want to make. We made penguins. We also learned about penguins. We learned that they slide on their bellies down hills. We also made snow globes and snowman. My snowman has a red hat and a green sweater. She also has brown boots. She also has a blue and purple scarf. On the 100th day of school, we stacked a tower of 100 cups. In February, we also learned about George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. March. In March, we did a fairy tale play. Our play was Snow White. I was a butterfly butterfly fairy. On St. Patrick's Day, we made leprechaun. April. In April, we made a chick and an egg. We also made a flower. On Earth Day, we made a small earth with hands on the sides. We traced our hands on paper and put them on the small earth. We also made a butterfly. May. In May, we got to hold a chick and take a picture with it. We also got deer time. We read outside. I read Dog's Diary. I can't remember what the other two were. In May, we also went to Stages Theater. We watched Zone Soup. It was funny. On field day, we went to 8 different stations. My favorite station was the bouncy houses. In May, we also did class photos, and we took pictures with Miss Lily, our high school intern. Miss Lily helps us with our work and projects. Miss Ashmore. We have a student teacher named Miss Ashmore. She is very nice. She would help us. My friends. These are my friends. Lily, Anna, Ayla, Ella, and Amber. My teachers. Miss Odin, Miss Galvis, Mr. Ring, Miss Bloom, Miss Churin, Miss Thermos, and Mr. Jack. About the author. Kiera lives in Cottage Grove. She likes to ride her bike. Kiera also likes to run.